Hello, Wake Forest MBA students. I'm David Pinkley, the Resume Sage. Here is one thing you should never do on your resume. Well, let's face it, if you're getting your MBA right now, chances are you're going to need a new resume in the next few years, whether to get a bigger job at your current company or to change jobs or even change industries. When it's time to update your resume, never, and I say never take the job description that describes the role you're currently in and copy that content and paste it into your resume as a way of updating your resume and describing what you do. That's a terrible strategy. Why? Well, because keep in mind, the person that wrote the job description, they didn't want to write that any more than you want to write your own resume. So therefore, the job description is mediocre, and you're going to end up with mediocre content in your resume. Now, this is just one of several things we're going to talk about this Wednesday, January 31st at Resumayhem. We're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about how to assess your own resume to decide whether you have a good resume, a great resume, or a world-class resume. I'm David Pinkley. I look forward to meeting you. Bring your questions, and we'll see you there.